Up next, we have Wendy M. I do have 2 orders for you that I'm combining. Your first one being a Pearl Hunt Special, buy 3 for $70, and a roll-in for pearls. And then your second order, we have a tray of rounds and Starlit Ring. So I'm going to grab that tray. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 that come with the ring. So we've got that. So let's go ahead and do our 1 round of roll-in for pearls. Dice number 1. And number 2. We have an 80 value with 5 round oysters. It can be any kind of locket and a silver plated cage. So another 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then a locket. Ooh, you got the white bracelet. And a cage. All right. 3 rounds of Pearl Hunt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, here we go. This was a really good one. We have a sterling silver, can be pendant or earring. So we are going to get that fizzing. I'm going to have to heat up my water again. And then 4 cages. 2 reinvests, and I think you chose, yes, reinvest. 1, 2. All right. 2 rice, a round cage, and a spin. And then last round, 2 duds, a round cage, and an Edison drop necklace. All right, so we already got that taken care of. We have 1 spin. Okay, 2 rounds, 2 rice. 1, 2 rounds. 1, 2 rice. 1 Edison drop necklace. We got a deep burgundy or maroon. And then 2, 4, 6 cages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's do your 1 spin. Locket and rice. All right, there is that rice. And locket, got the rainbow. All right, let's open up these oysters. I am going to fast forward here quick, so I will be right back. All right, here we go. We have a lighter teal. A light peach. Blue. Another blue. Purpley, like a lavender purple. Ooh, gorgeous red. Yellow. Peacock. Minty blue. Pink. Yellow. Burgundy. Blue. A kind of like a coffee. Blue. Another blue. And teal. Okay. Popped open. You got green aventurine jumbo earrings. Ooh, these are pretty. Where's my earring thing? Ooh, I like these. All right, let's put these on. And then, pretty. Ooh, I love those. Get all of your pearls out here. All right.